Hi, this is Chris McClune with Fire Apparatus and Emergency Equipment. Welcome to this edition of our Unbox series. Today, what we're going to be looking at after I get all of these cartons unboxed is the On-Scene Solutions Safety System Air Cylinder Management System. So let's get everything out of these boxes and learn a little bit more about how this can make your air cylinder refilling process a bit safer and a bit more efficient. Now that we've gotten everything unboxed, what we have are two components of the Safety System Air Cylinder Management System. We have 4 holder carriers and we have the folding hand cart, the redesigned folding hand cart. This hand cart is 29 inches by 19 inches by 11 inches, and it does collapse so that it can be stored in a fire apparatus or somewhere in your station. All of the holder carriers are designed to integrate with the folding hand cart. With it, you can transport up to 8 SCBA or 8 O2 cylinders. Now, to collapse the hand cart, there are 2 releases that you need to worry about. The first one is on the bottom. The second one is on the top. Once collapsed, this is ready to be carried anywhere you need it, maybe into the fire truck or to a location in your station. Let's take a minute or two to talk about how the holder carriers interface with the foldable hand cart. There are tracks on the hand cart that will help you position the holder carrier properly. Once in, a quarter turn, and it's secure. Again, you can carry up to 8 SCBA or O2 cylinders with the foldable hand cart. And again, there are tracks and guides, quarter turn, and we're ready to go, whether you want to put it back on a truck or somewhere in your station, or from truck back to the rig at the scene. I want to talk for a second about the importance of using a holder carrier for your SCBA cylinders. First of all, it's very easy to stow the SCBA cylinder in the holder carrier. Again, 1/4 turn, and you're ready to go. Now, the importance of safely and efficiently transporting your SCBA cylinders can't be overstated. In Ohio, back in 2018, we have a case study of a dive team member, a firefighter dive team member, stowing his scuba cylinder after a drill. Through a number of circumstances, the cylinder becomes airborne. It bounced off a couple of walls, hit the truck, bounced off the truck, hit the firefighter in the head, ultimately killing him. So not only do these provide a safe and efficient transport, it also protects the SCBA cylinder from any damage as they go. Well, again, what we've been looking at today are only 2 of the components of the On-Scene Solutions Safety System Air Cylinder Management System. We've been looking at the holder carrier and the folding hand cart. However, there is also the compartment base, the utility transport box, and the mobile station rack that are also all part of this system. If you would like more information on the On-Scene Solutions Safety System Air Cylinder Management System, go to www.onscenesolutions.com. Again, this has been Chris McClune with Fire Apparatus and Emergency Equipment. Have a good one and stay safe.